Today we're going to be travelling from Barnes in West London and going to Canary Wharf in the east of London, well, central east, and we're going to be looking at some of the big buildings there and the Elizabeth line, which is fairly new, and looking back towards the City of London as well using the 7200, and the lens that I'm using right now is the 24 to 70 one, which is made by Nikon, and the other one that I'm going to use is the one I said beforehand, 7200, which is also made by Nikon. And I'm going to be using two Z6-2s. I was wondering whether to take the 10 to 20mm out today as opposed to the 7200, but considering the size of Canary Wharf, I thought it would be better to take the 7200. It would allow me to reach better locations like the City of London over the Thames instead. I think I'll take the 10 to 20 when I get to closer locations.
I was not expecting this, but as soon as I saw a Class 69 approaching Barnes Station, I had to record it. I don't know if it's possible to cross Waterloo Bridge without getting the camera out. This shot was taken using the 70 to 200mm of the boat going underneath.
So, what did you think of Canary Wharf? Is it a place you'd take the camera with next time you go? Any other ideas that you think I should go to next? Give me a suggestion and I'll be sure to check it out next time I'm out in London. Leave me a like and I look forward to seeing you next. Thank you.